Alright guys, here's a quick tutorial on how to enter in a snippet video on the front page of your website. So if you have one of our advanced themes, you're going to have some video tech where you can enter a GIF video that has an autoplay dial here in the front, enticing people to click play after seeing movement and motion in the video. So here's how you make those snippet of videos. So first off, your video would either need to be an MP4 already saved on your computer, and if it's not saved as an MP4, you would have to turn it into an MP4. So this particular video that I'm going to save here is not an MP4. So I'm going to go to YouTube. The video is here. I'm going to use a YouTube downloader called y2mate.com. On this YouTube downloader, it's a lot of ads and a lot of pop-ups. I recommend not clicking any of these ads or pop-ups. Not clicking any of these ads or pop-ups because I don't know what they do. So I'm just going to go here and I am going to grab the URL link from the top of the screen here. Control C if you have a PC, or Command C if you have a MacBook. Paste the link here. It starts searching for the link, and it wants to download, but this video, so this particular client who downloaded this video, they put a really big file for it to have a full HD. So the file size for this video was too large. Shopify only takes file sizes under 20 megabytes, and the website will run slower with using such a large file size. So for this particular video, we're going to take an extra step to even see if it works. If not, I would have to just reach out to this client and I'll have to save this in a different file format. So first I'm going to download the video. And this is going to take a little bit longer because it's a bigger video. So download. Alright. So as you see, it's going to save to 30.8 megabytes. So I am going to go to another website that I use to compress videos. It's called ucompress.com, and I'm going to see if ucompress can make this video file less than 20 megabytes. So I grab the video. Sorry guys, this probably took so long. So I have to make a decision of speeding this up or Alright, and it barely made it under 20 megabytes. So let's see if this even allows us to upload. Upload is at 19.8. It's cutting it really close. So the way that you do this, you go to settings here on your left hand side, settings, you go to files, and then you upload the MP4 video as a file. So not the first one, the second one. Yeah, it didn't take it. It's still saying that it's 20 megabytes. So even though it compressed and it's saying it's 19.75, it's just too close. It's not taking this video. So let's say if I was to go and try to find another video for this client, flawless looks. Alright. So Alright, this process is just taking a little bit longer than expected, so what I'll do as a cheat code to see if this works, I'm going to try to see if I can compress the video. So I'm going to try to compress this and see how much size down I can get from compressing the video that's already been compressed. As you see, it's uploading a lot slower than it did the first time. Alright. Alright, we recompressed. And as you see, it went down a smidget. So it didn't go down much. Now it's down to 19 megabytes. Let's see if it'll let me upload this 19 megabyte video. Alright. Let's see. Alright, it's uploading, but it's a really large file. Alright, so then you copy this file. Here, you Control C, copy it. Then you go to Online Store. Go Customize. Go inside the theme. And then, once you're inside of the theme, you want to go down over here to the left hand side and look for the section that has the same words as this section. So transform to your best self. Click transform into your best self. And I have video. I can say get to know Amanda. Alright, that's the name of the wig that she's promoting on this particular video. We have the YouTube URL, which the client has already posted, and then now we have the Mp4 link. I'm going to paste that there. Boom. Hit save. And now it has a snippet from the video that plays. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. That's the snippet that you want to play. If you wanted a certain part of a video from a YouTube video, that means you need to go ahead and record with a video software and edit the video and then upload that video itself to as a separate YouTube video for it to show the snippet. Alright, so that's it. That's how you upload a video to the front page of your website. Alright, thank you guys.